how to buy Memecoin enjoyoor token. So this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of enjoyoor token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 1000% in less than 4 hours. Now, as you can see, this token is trending number 16 in this Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here, copy the token address, and open your funds wallet for that. After that, click here on swap. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. And after that, click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. After that, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back. And you will be able to find here swap. Click on it and then you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy enjoyoor token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.